Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to restore My Eyes Only pictures on Snapchat. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, I'm going to open up the Snapchat app here. And to get to My Eyes Only, you can tap those cards at the bottom left here. Now, it will bring up your memories, and you can see at the very top it says Snaps, Stories, Camera Roll, Screenshots, and My Eyes Only. So I can tap on that and I'll need to enter in the password that's associated with that My Eyes Only. Now you can see it has brought up this one specific photo. If I want to restore this, I can tap on that photo, and then at the very top right here I can tap those three dots and then tap Remove from My Eyes Only. Now, if I go back to Snaps here, you can see that has been restored back to my normal Snaps so that I'll be able to see it on there and it's not hidden away under the My Eyes Only category. And of course, if I go back to My Eyes Only, there's nothing in here anymore. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.